Hi, senior high school, grade 12 of school, your school.
PNHS name for National High School.
And lahat kayo, Humes, di ba?
Yes po.
Okay, and we just finished our session, not really interview, for your project.
For our requirements in DIAS.
Okay. So, ilan sa inyo ang gusto maging journalist? Wala pa.
Wala pa po.
Wala pa. Plan? Okay. O, sige. Alright. Anong section nyo?
Sir po.
So, dapat bigyan kayo ng 100%. Perfect yung score.